Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Dow Academy Online Learning. We look forward to seeing you all back in class. But for now, stay home, stay safe. And remember to always wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. Let's begin.
Hello, Form 4s. Welcome to today's lesson about reported or indirect speech. Okay, on everyday basis, we are always saying something, but today we're going to look at a reported or indirect speech. By the word itself, to report, it means you are not the one who's the doer, but you're simply narrating what someone else told you or what someone else did. Okay. So by definition, we're saying sometimes we report what someone said or wrote without using the exact words. Okay. We call this indirect or reported speech, and it should always be without inverted commas. Okay. Let's not confuse with the other type of speech. Okay. So firstly, we're going to look at verbs, changing tenses, okay, from present tense to past tense. This is one of the ways in which you can identify a reported or indirect speech. For example, has becomes had, okay, is becomes was, and has loved becomes had loved, okay. The change of tense from the present to the past lets you know to say we are now using reported or indirect speech. Okay. Secondly, we're saying times are adjusted. Okay. How are these times adjusted? Okay. For example, we say this week, and this week becomes that week. Okay. Last year becomes the previous year, and now becomes then. For you to report something, it means something has already taken place. Okay, that's why we are talking about it in a reported way. Just like we talk about reporters don't talk about things that have not yet happened. Okay, they are not fortune tellers, so they do not foretell. Okay, they might say a thing or two maybe during the session on TV where you have to see the weather forecast. Okay, but otherwise reporters always talk about something that has already taken place. Okay. The third point is placing. Okay. Here becomes there. Okay. Places are adjusted. In other words, here becomes there, and this room becomes that room. Okay. When you say this room, it's as though when you're seated in class, right there at that time, you are in this room. That's what you say. I am in this room. And then we say, because we have already changed the tense, okay, into past tense, you say, I was in that room, or they were in that room. You are reporting about something that has already taken place. Okay. Whether you are part of the group or you are not part of the group, but something has already passed. Okay. So please, let's not forget to use our tenses properly, and let's always remember to revise on all our work that we have done from Form 1 so that we'll be able to write a better speech, okay, if not an excellent speech. Have a good day.